Hey folks, Scott Kelby here from Kelby One, and here are 5 cool things that are new and exciting in the book module from Lightroom. Let's do it. Number 1 is now you can just create any size page you want. Do you notice when I clicked on this cell, you have these little 9 points here, these little page resizers around the edges. You can just grab them and just make the page any size you want. You don't have to work with cells and resizing cells and all that stuff. You can literally just create a page anywhere you want, any size you want, without having to worry about all the cells and weird stuff like that. So you can just create a square or whatever you like it, whatever size you like. So that's number 1. Number 2, you can reposition it anywhere on the page without worrying about cells. Go to the center little point and watch. You can just move it anywhere on the page. Woohoo! I know that that seems like, shouldn't you be able to have always done that? Yeah, probably, but it doesn't matter. We do have it now, and I'm quite thrilled about it. So let me just make it a little bit smaller. Number 3 is you can add more cells. Just go over here, right click, and just say add a cell. And it makes a cell, and you can align it with the other one really easily. How do you align it really easily? That's the 4th tip. The 4th tip is if you go over here to guides, there is a show guides feature. And if you turn on page grid, you'll be able to see this little grid to help you align things. And over here, right where it says grid snap, it'll be set to either off or cells. I think it's set to cells by default. Switch it to grid. And that way, when you're moving this stuff, it snaps. And you can get all your sizes, really right on the money. So just by moving them that way. Here, let's create another one over here. Let's go add a cell. And let's put it over here. Let me grab the center to move it. And we kind of want to line it up with the other one we already have here. There we go. You can kind of get it right on the money. And then you can drag these other photos in. These photos, by the way, are from a workshop that I did last year in Rome. And we hired a model and the Vespa and all for the students that were in the workshop. And so that's where these pictures came from. Let's go turn off those guides. And you can see it's pretty easy to create your own separate page. And let's undo. I'm going to hit a bunch of undos. Let's just undo. Real quickly, we're going to undo because I want to show you another awesome feature. Number 5, and this has been a long time coming too. But you have the feature over here under the page thing to show page numbers. And you can see that I have. Look in the bottom, there's a 4 and there's a 5. Well, if I had my choice, I do like the 4 over here, but I don't really want that number over my picture. Well, now you don't have to have that anymore. Go to display, and you can say the left side only. And that way I have a number 4 here. I mean, your average person will realize, if that's page 4, this is probably what, 9? No, it's page 5. You don't need a number over there. All right, so there is that. All right, couple quick things before we wrap up. Number 1, if you want to go with me to Paris this summer, go right now to scottkelbyworkshops.com. I just announced it a few days ago, and we have less than half of the seats left, or half of the spots left. It's only 12 spots left. So if you want to grab one of those last spots, go to scottkelbyworkshops.com. And this June, we'll be hanging out and learning travel photography and post-processing and just eating a lot of great French food and having fun. Number 2, if you want to learn more about Lightroom, go to kelby1.com. It's an awesome place to learn Lightroom. It's where people go to get really good at Lightroom, so you should too. Go over to kelby1.com. It's only $10 a month to get started. You'll super dig it, and you don't have to sign any long-term contracts or anything because you're cool. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll catch you next time.